Well, it's always on a Friday that something's leaking. This mechanical seal on this pool pump just gave out on us. So I got to take the whole thing apart, drain it out. And while I was taking this thing apart, I noticed one problem. This screw broke off of the impeller. And it's kind of a redundant screw because when the pump is spinning, it sort of tightens on the shaft anyways. So I just decided to put a little bit of some Teflon on it, like I do with everything. I cleaned it up real nice, at least as nice as I could get it, because this stuff is, I don't know, just the grease and everything that's on these gaskets. It's really hard to get off without some crazy cleaners. Next time I might bring a different chemical to try to clean it. I'd just use some emery cloth and a little bit of sandpaper and just some paper towels. So here's the new mechanical seal. This is what seals the pump from the motor so that you don't have leaks. There's my Teflon. I put a little bit of silicone grease on the edge of the mechanical seal just to help it slide in. Putting everything back together, I try to clean up a little bit more, add some more silicone grease here and there. Let me bolt the whole thing back together and hook the wiring back up. It's got a pretty easy connector on it. Now we'll turn on the water and get a little bit of water flowing so I can knock out some of the air inside of the pump. It's kind of hard to get it all out, but at least you can get some like this, just kind of letting it spray everywhere. Then get the pump primed. You got to turn it on and throttle the discharge valve a little bit to try to get even more air out of it. But this thing is so low that it's tough to get all the air out. Eventually it'll work itself out. The good thing is there's no more leaks on this thing. I was able to get a little bit more of the air out of it by throttling for like another 5-10 minutes. But that's basically it. Like and follow. I'll be on vacation for 2 weeks. See ya.